Today we are going to study uh, the preview of thermodynamics. The word thermodynamics means the study of flow of heat. It is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the energy change accompanying a chemical reaction. Terms used in chemical thermodynamics: system, surrounding, types of system, open system, closed system, isolated system. An open system can exchange both energy and matter with its surroundings. The stove-top example would be an open system because heat and water vapor can be lost to the air. A closed system, on the other hand, can exchange only energy with its surrounding, no matter if we put a very tightly fitted lid on the pot from the previous example, it would approximate a closed system. An isolated system is one that cannot exchange either matter or energy with its surrounding. A perfect isolated system is hard to come by, but an insulated drink cooler with a lid is conceptually similar to a true isolated system. The items used can exchange energy with each other, which is why the drink gets cold and the ice melts a little, but exchange very little energy heat with the outside environment. Properties of system. Property of system is divided into two categories: intensive or extensive. Intensive properties are those properties which are independent of mass of system. These properties are inherent and do not depend on mass of the system. Example: temperature, pressure, specific volume, density, viscosity, etc. Extensive properties are those which are dependent on mass of the system. Values of this property depend directly on mass of the system. Values of extensive properties increase with increase in mass of the system. Example: total or net volume, energy, weight. Laws of thermodynamics. Zeroth law of thermodynamics. The zeroth law of thermodynamics states that if two bodies are individually in equilibrium with a separate third body, then the first two bodies are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. First law of thermodynamics, or law of conservation of energy, first stated by Mayer Helmholtz in 1840, that energy can be neither created nor destroyed, although it can be transferred from one form to another. In other words, the total amount of energy of the universe is a constant. Internal energy. Every substance possesses a definite amount of energy which depends upon its chemical nature, temperature, pressure, and volume. This is called internal energy. E total, Et plus Ev plus Er, different types of energies. Del E equal to it, final energy minus initial energy. Yeah. Internal energy can be given by initial internal energy plus heat plus work done on system or by system. Change in internal energy equal to heat plus work done. Plus Q is taken when heat absorbed by the system, minus Q when heat liberated by the system, plus W work done on the system, and minus W work done by the system. Enthalpy and enthalpy change. Enthalpy is the amount of heat stored in the system under particular condition and is termed as heat content of the system. H equal to E plus PV. Enthalpy change, final minus initial enthalpy. On constant pressure, H pressure, enthalpy at constant pressure is taken, the internal energy at constant pressure and volume at constant pressure. Heat absorbed by the system on constant, then del H equal to internal energy plus P del V. Spontaneous process are those that can proceed without any outside intervention. Processes that are spontaneous in one direction are non-spontaneous in the reverse direction. Entropy. Entropy can be thought of a measure of randomness of a system. So, entropy of gas is greater than entropy of liquid. Liquid is greater than entropy of solid. Like total energy, E, and in enthalpy, H, entropy is a state function. Therefore, del S is given by S final minus S initial. Del S also given by Q reversible by temperature. The entropy of the universe does not change for reversible process and increase for a spontaneous process. This is the second law of thermodynamics. Des, del S universe equal to del S system plus del S surrounding is always greater than 0. Del S is greater than 0, irreversible, real or spontaneous process. Del S equal to 0, equilibrium, reversible, ideal. Del S smaller than 0, non-spontaneous. The, the third law of thermodynamics. The entropy of a pure crystalline substance at absolute 0 is 0. Free energy or Gibbs free energy. In 1878, J.V. Gibbs created the free energy function by combining the first and second law of thermodynamics. Del G equal to del H minus T del S. Free energy change del G. Change, change in Gibbs free energy is given by enthalpy change minus temperature into entropy change. Free for spontaneous process. Del S total equal to del S system plus del S surrounding. Del S surrounding is given by minus Q by T, as it is opposite of surrounding and system. Thermodynamic process. Isobaric process in which the pressure P is kept constant, del P equal to 0. Isochoric process in which the volume P is kept constant, del V equal to 0. Isothermal process in which the temperature T is kept constant, del T equal to 0. Adiabatic process in which the heat transfer is 0, Q equal to 0. State function in thermodynamics. A thermodynamic property that depends only on the initial and final state and does not depend on the path taken to reach the final state or value is known as state function or point function. Path function in thermodynamics. A thermodynamic property that depends on path between the initial and final state is known as path function. Thanks.